To eject SIM tray on a Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G and open the SIM card slot, we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray in this place. We also have a little bit of a hole in here on the SIM tray, so we need to use the eject tool that you can find inside the box in order to eject the SIM tray, of course. So we're gonna put the eject tool into this hole over here, there we go, and then use a little bit of force in order to push it into the phone to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. So once that happens, you want to use your fingernails and fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. And there we go, this is how the SIM tray looks like. As you can see, we have SIM slot number 1. On the reverse side, we have SIM slot number 2, and we can insert our SIM card into its place. Just make sure that it matches the shape, of course. So here we have this cut part, and just to show it to you, we can also, of course, insert the second SIM card in here. Make sure that all your SIM cards are fully inserted. They do not stick out or anything like that. And of course, we're gonna slide it back into the phone. There we go. Just push it with your finger and make sure that it is fully in. If it doesn't want to go all the way in, make sure once again that the cards are inserted into their slots properly. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.